to exit 111, State Route 111, Palm Springs.
Woke up with a glass phone to go along with my lead tone. Face down on the back stairs, bottles everywhere.
All road up to parking lot.
Keep this in the car or?
Yes. Okay. Parking lot A at the stop sign.
Thank you.
If I could cut these ties, leave all these sins behind me, I'd be a better man, better man, better man. I need a new ritual.
It's cold.
I need a new ritual.
Almost everyone.
I need a new ritual. I need a new ritual. One more sip of whiskey.
And what?
Pop Park. I mean, no, there's rattlesnakes. Okay, so we are here at, watch out for rattlesnakes, at Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. It's my first time, my sister's second time. And yes, no, I got that already, Patrick. Pop Park.
This is how you get up there.
And originally our
We are continuing the
flight is at 10, but not all of us are here, so we're gonna do the
Please
10:30.
come to the boarding area now. This is your tram car.
I just don't want to see rattlesnakes. There may be. Okay, so we're just waiting. Smile.
He's fixing his hair. I don't know why. He's wearing a beanie anyway. There's no point. We're gonna go all the way. Hold on. I'm bad at this. I can't. Okay, we're gonna go all the way up there. Yeah. We'll see you up there.
We're gonna be over there in half an hour.
Hello everybody, this is Oli Garcia, your host for today. Today we're here at downtown Palm Springs at the tramway. We're going to go all the way up there, as you can see. We're going to go up.
We're now boarding the 1010 car. If you have 1010 on your ticket, 1010 on your ticket, please come to the boarding area now. This is your tram
It's
car.
Thanksgiving Day.
1010 only, please come to the boarding area.
Woke up with a glass phone.
Welcome aboard the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway, our new rotating tram cars, providing you with 360-degree views of the way to the top. We've just left down the station, elevation of 2,643 feet above sea level, and in some 11 minutes.
Lawrence.
The high
If I could cut these ties,
and an elevation
leave all these sins behind me,
8,516 feet above sea level. We'll travel over 2.5 miles a day.
I need a new ritual.
Holding on!
We experienced a swinging motion as the tram car transitions from the track cable over the tower saddle and back to the track cable. This motion.
One more sip of whiskey to go along with my chip tea. Curled up on the front lawn to forget she's gone. Burned down like a maestro. I'm American Psycho. I sleep on the concrete. Now I need a new ritual. I need a new ritual. Whoa. I need a new ritual.
Miles of snowshoe cross-country ski.
85.
This is, by the way, one of the very few pristine wilderness areas in Southern California, and has been designated a national monument.
Hello.
What?
gonna go and check in.
Car? Are you checking in?
Right here, you wanna touch the stone?
Area closed. Good luck, Lawrence, on your new job. We're coming back here. Are you guys ready?
Ready to just take pictures.
So is this the end of this?
Yeah, go down.
No,
there.
we can go around, right? We're gonna...
No, we have to go down and then go to the... You
can go up through there, Mom.
Snow.
This is a travel vlog.
Mount San Jacinto. Mount San Jacinto. It just sounds like a Hemet or Mount San.
This is far. It's okay because we're up 8,000 feet.
No, right there. Downtown Palm Springs.
No, that's Redlands.
Redlands.
Right there.
Mama.
Don't be scared.
Hala.
Yeah, still have to go down. Literally.
So is this the bottom of the Patrick? This is the bottom of the whatever.
Are you vlogging?
We are in Jurassic Park, everybody.
This is where they filmed Jurassic Park.
Search for the
1, 2, and 3. Bridge to nowhere. No running.
Woke up with a glass lung to go along with my lead tongue. Face down on the back stairs, bottles everywhere. Time bomb on the main street, broken love in the backseat. I stare from the window at the world below. If I could cut these ties, leave all these sins behind me, I'd be a better man, better man, better man. I need a new ritual. I need a new ritual. Whoa. I need a new ritual. I need a new...
There's a bunch of fluffy over here. A bunch of fluffy over here.
Is that a broom?
It's so sweet.
Oh, what is that? What are those just logs?
I need it.
You're gonna get your jeans.
Burn down like a maestro. I'm American Psycho. I sleep on the concrete. Now I need a new ritual. I need a new ritual.
Where's Lawrence? Lawrence, are you up there? Oh, are you? What?
Wait, it's a natural thing.
Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Where we're going? What?
Clockwise, yeah.
Ready?
Ready?
Set.
2, 3.
Go.
Faster, babe. Faster. Faster. We can't.
Lord knows I felt this way before.
What's going on? Ow.
Way too
Is that how
many
you're supposed to do it?
times, broken on the floor.
I didn't know we're gonna go hiking today. It's hard already. You have to climb up, there's no other way. We're almost there. I didn't know we had to hike up. Stay right there. Lawrence has the drink. I don't know what he's getting.
What?
Okay. I'm scared.
Look in the telescope because you refused to do it 2 times.
Okay. Say bye. Say camera's about to die. I'll see you guys later. Say good night. Is it blinking? It's dying.
That's not big, it's good. It says 100%.
Blinking.
No, it's not.
I need to buy a piece of this. Magicero.
Psychologist.
Psychologist? Psychopath. Psychopath.
Bye.
Some stuff there.
So what happens if we do that?
Get excited.
Because you're gonna be